Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by locating where Google Earth stores your data and why that matters. Find KML or KMZ files now. Look in the local cache and application support folders because those contain cache. DAT and recent project files, these are your primary recovery targets. Once you confirm the account you used, pause and copy files to a separate recovery folder. Make sure to preserve timestamps. Doing this prevents accidental overwrites and gives you safe material to work on during the next steps. Now you extract and convert the cache so you can read your data. Make a working copy of cache. DAT and use a trusted tool like Cache2KML or an SQLite browser to inspect tables. You do this because raw cache stores binary blobs and coordinates that need conversion into readable KML. Once conversion runs, check placemark coordinates, timestamps, and styles. This ensures fidelity. If items are split across files, merge KMLs carefully. Make sure to preserve hierarchy and folder names for easy re-import. Finally, import the recovered KML or KMZ back into Google Earth and verify every placemark and path. It's why you checked timestamps earlier. Once done, save the project as a KMZ and create at least 2 backups in different locations, including cloud storage. If something is missing, rerun the conversion on the original cache copy, check for partial tiles, and examine takeout archives if available. This often recovers stray items. Remember, one key troubleshooting step is to reattempt extraction from the untouched original cache file.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.